Should you get it professionally done? Yes. Do we have the funds to get it professionally done? No. Hey y'all. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to theenaturallynia. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like this video, and all of that. So today, I'm dyeing my hair red. I'm gonna tell y'all some of my hair history before we get into all of that. So back in September of 2019, I dyed my hair half blonde and like a honey blonde. So I did that by myself, and then I got tired of it, and a few weeks ago I semi-permanent dyed my hair black, but it's literally a lot of colors right now and I can't look at it like this. So I'm bleaching my whole head. I'm not gonna put this in the description box because y'all need to see my video and see everything I'm using, and yeah. The Manic Panic Flash Lightning Super Strength Bleach Kit, 30 volume cream developer. It's a pandemic, we're in quarantine, well, modified quarantine, so the Beast store is taxing right now, so I got all this stuff right off Amazon. I literally looked up a kit because usually they sell stuff separately and you can't find gloves nowadays because of a pandemic, so I was like, I'm gonna buy the kit. So here is the kit that I have purchased. Application: hair should be dry and unwashed. So my hair, I think I washed it last week. Yeah, unwashed and dry. Using the stuff, apply bleach. Make sure that even to your hair you wish bleach. All strands should be saturated. Using the brush and glove fingers to spread the moisture evenly. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so this is the first time I'm ever bleaching my hair. Well, I guess like bleaching my hair, because the honey blonde dye 9 times out of 10 had bleach already in it. So wearing the gloves. Okay, so I'm about to open this bad boy up. So yeah, I chose this one because it had all the stuff inside of it, so hopefully it works. All right, so it comes with the 30 volume cream developer. 30. I was happy it was 30 because I'm not trying to burn all my follicles out my head, so yeah. Then it comes with a brush, and it comes with this tub thingy. So here's the tub thingy. Inside the tub we have in here a head wrap, and we have gloves, and then we have this is the cream developer, this is the actual bleach powder. For doing this, it says wearing the gloves. So let me put these gloves on. It says do not inhale, and I've seen where people really said that bleach smells disgusting, so I'm gonna try my best not to do that because I hate strong smells that are nasty. So yeah. Wearing gloves, open the plastic bleach bag, avoid inhaling. Oh yeah, what do I do with it? Empty the full contents of bleach powder into this tub. So this and this are BFFs. I'm gonna kind of back away because I don't want to accidentally I wanted to say, I know bleach is bad for my hair and I don't know what I'm doing, so don't come for me if I do this jacks up, because initially I had to walk around like this. Alrighty, empty the containers into the plastic tub, add the full contents of developer to bleach powder in the plastic tub. Using the provided brush, blend to all, it's completely dissolved, no lumps, blah 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 blah. Let it stand in 1 minute and make sure we're thinking. Okay, so the next step is to add this thingy to the tub. So here we go. I'm staying far away. Okay, I'll just kind of, I guess, just show y'all as I'm going. Oh wow, it's like all the way at the tip top of the tub. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm gonna drop it. So I'm really nervous to do this because my hair, I think she's strong enough to handle it, but we'll just have to see. All right, now the next step is to mix it. I think that's all that's coming out. With this brush, we're gonna mix. Ooh, my eyes kind of burn. Okay, let me just back up. All right, I'm just gonna mix this. I'm gonna put this on the countertop. Y'all can't see the countertop, But I'm gonna put this on the countertop so I can concentrate on this mixing. Low key, this tub to me is almost not big enough. Like, I'm scared I'm about to drop the stuff. Yes, this tub is wild because like I'm like holding it down on the counter and it's getting already on my gloves because the tub is just not big enough for all this mixing that they want me to do. Oh yeah, this is really strong. I'm starting to smell it. It says to let it sit for 1 minute so I can thicken up. So I'm gonna let it sit for 1 minute. It's been a minute. I'm assuming I didn't put the timer on. This is applied to make sure to hair, avoid direct contact with scalp. I don't want to burn my scalp, so I'm really not going to. Apply the bleach, make sure evenly to your hair. You wish to bleach. All strands should be saturated using the bleach or gloved fingers to spread the mixture evenly. Okay, so I did read online before I did this because it's my hair that I love so much and I don't want to I want this to look cute. So I did read some stuff online. So it said 4 sections is the best way to go about it. And since I'm doing the whole head, it said to try to do an inch before this part so it can come out even or something because it dries because your heat from your head, something like that. So I don't really know how to like do this, to go about doing this. I'm gonna kind of just go like this, just kind of even it out, and we going to hope for the best, y'all. Here we go. I'm scared. Like, this is it, y'all. This is it. Okay, so it's done. I kept to get it out of my head. It's already done. The damage is done. This little brush thing is a little awkward. I'll hold you. Hopefully this doesn't look ugly because my hair is already 2 different colors. Like, it just bleaches out evenly. That's my biggest thing right now. Alright, this brush is a little hard to operate. It's not gonna lie to y'all. I might be just doing this with the gloves because this little thing right here is making me feel uncomfortable. I truly can't even see the back. I probably should have gotten a side mirror, but here we are. Here we are. The brush might be more handy, but I'm going closer to the roots. Hopefully that's kind of even right there. I really can't see, but we gonna hope it's all good. Okay, so I'm about to go back around one more time. So now I'm about to go in for the roots. Okay, hopefully I didn't over bleach my hair because my hair is starting to be a few different colors. Like, do y'all see that? Woo! I'm nervous, y'all. Okay, I think that I am done. Y'all! I can't believe I'm really doing this right now. This is for real. Okay, the next step is to, I saw the longest you should do it is 45 minutes. The shortest I saw was 15 minutes. So I'm gonna do 25 minutes. So it's been 25 minutes. This is where we are. I definitely fried the back of my hair because why is that pink? Should you get it professionally done? Yes. Do we have the funds to get it professionally done? No. Alright, so I'm about to go wash this out. Hey y'all, so I just finished shampooing my hair, so here we are. My hair is a lot of colors. As I knew it would be. I got some black going on here. Alright, so this is the color I'm dyeing my hair. I'm dyeing it Ruby Red Adore. I want to just put it in the middle part because I just want to see how it's gonna look when the time comes for the middle part in my life. Whew! Okay, hopefully this looks cute, y'all, because baby, my hair is different colors everywhere. So this joint said to shampoo and towel dry hair, literally what I just did. Hopefully this comes out cute, y'all. Oh, I should have kept the gloves. Guys, I'm about to be a little ghetto. I'm about to go get the gloves and rinse them because I'm gonna need some gloves. All right, so I just cleaned the gloves off. Hopefully this looks kind of even, like hopefully it's cute. That's kind of what we're going for. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I needed some gloves for this. Like, come on now. Oh, it said the comb, shucks. All right, y'all, I just got a comb. Apply it all the way around and then I'm gonna comb through. All right, so it's picking the color up. I'm super excited, like this is turning out okay. Y'all see how black that is? Like, let's just look for a second. Like, y'all see how black that is? I didn't use the protective cream around because from my last video that I did this stuff, you can just use alcohol to get it up. Yes, look at how freaking black that is. Oh my gosh. This is about to be a disaster. Okay, but low-key, I look cute. So I just been finger detangling it like as I've been going through it because I know my hair is probably, if I put a brush to it, it's probably gonna hate me. So I've been finger detangling it. Okay, so for me, it's this little part right here that's kind of black still. That's kind of, ooh. It's for me, that's the part that's throwing me off. But like, hey, you know, you live and you learn. So I'm gonna comb it now. I still have some left in here. When I had dyed my hair black, I had combed it out and then I realized like some of the hair that came out the comb had the dye on it, so I thought I was wasting the dye. I wanna say I probably have like 60% of the bottle is on my head. So I'm about to slather the rest of the bottle on my head and just continue to like finger detangle. Okay, so I just finished putting all the dye on my hair. It definitely got a little bit darker since I like applied the whole bottle. Next is apply plastic cap, process the heat for up to 15 minutes. So I'm actually gonna sit under there for an hour. Here, this is how it's looking. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks after I shampoo it and like rinse it, but then I'm gonna show y'all like the final look because then I gotta braid my hair up and do whatever I'm gonna do. But yeah, we see these edges are really bright. They're really bright. So yeah, I stayed under for 45 minutes and yeah, I'm about to go wash this out. So okay. It's cute. This part is obviously like super red, but honestly, once again, I can't see the back to see if that's even red. Oh, nice. It's like I was nervous about that little part, but nice. But okay, period. Call me strawberry shortcake. Hey y'all, so this is it. I really love it. Like I'm gonna try to do like a 360 thing. I don't know if y'all can see really. So yeah, so this is how it looks. It looks really good to me. We'll see how it looks in a month because it's a rinse, but I'm a fan. Obviously my roots are a little bright, but who cares? And it's still a little black in the back. Like it's a little black, but I think because it's red, I can play it off. So that is exactly what I will be doing. So yeah, thank you guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.